Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a Dollar Tree haul to share and I hope that you will join me. Look what I picked up on my trip to the Dollar Tree. I found a skull with a flower in the eye socket. Now the skulls, they have different designs, so I really like this one. That's why it came home with me. And then look at this. It has the full vertebrae on there. And then the ribs and the hip bones. And then look at how cute. It's making a heart. I love this one. I want to redesign this one. Well, not this one, but make like, a plastic one. But it is really cute. You can use it for like Halloween, Valentine's Day. You can use it for a wedding if you're doing like a Halloween themed wedding. How cute. I am not positive what went there, but see how, but it'll work. I love them. Really cute. So I came home with one each. And then I picked up some signs. This is the season to be spooky. And it has like a variety of images on the side. You got the cauldron, the jack-o'-lantern, candles, skulls, bats, and some sort of leaf. Cute. Oh, and it is hollow on the back. And then I also picked up this one. This one says Happy Halloween. It has a skull and then a webbing and a spider on the corners. And then there's just a webbing here. Again, it's hollow back. I then picked up some more of these wooden lanterns. I really like these lanterns, so I picked up 2 more sets. And the jack-o'-lantern, the cat, and the witch. I wanted to pick some more up before it sold out. I wanted to show you. Look at the witch. Can you guys see that? When you go to the store or when you get one home, look at her teeth. She has some really sharp teeth. Oh, so funny. I didn't notice it till I was painting my last project, and I'm like, oh my gosh, look at the teeth, how sharp. Cute. I love those. And then I picked up 3 more packages of orange spiders. I was running out of orange spiders. I couldn't tell you what happened to my last set, but I picked these up. And then these come on clips. If you don't want your spider on a clip, just pull it off, but save your clips. They're very helpful. You keep them on hand for whenever you need one. Let's see, and then I picked up some skulls. I needed the plastic skulls for my project, so I picked up 6 of these. I probably won't use it all on my project, so whatever's left will go in my yard. I also found some observation skill books. Look at this. This is Mini Spooky Spot the Difference, and they are by Beaver Books. This is a cute little book. Look at this. You can use it as a game, like it's designed to be, as the puzzle it is. Or I was planning to maybe like disassemble this and use them in my scrapbooking projects. Very cute. Look at that. They're cute little images, right? I love them. Look at that one. But yeah, when you stop at your store, grab one of these. They're cute. I like that one. Well, I love them all. They're also adorable. Oh, the cheat sheet. We don't want the cheat sheet. Let's see. I picked up 2 of this Spot the Difference book. And then I picked up 2 of the work plays. This would be great for scrapbooking too. Look at that. So you can use like just a line if you need to. Just word fun, right? For your scrapbooking project. Or if you want, you can fill it in. Not a problem. They provide the words that you need to go in the blanks. Nice. So I picked up 2 of these. And then I picked up some tool mesh. This is the glitter tool mesh, glow in the dark. And I picked up 3. I needed some more tool mesh. So I had bought some before and I couldn't remember what color I bought when I got to the store. I was like, did I buy black? Did I buy orange? So I picked up black. Yeah, and then I got home and I'm like, oh, I needed orange. So, but I still have this. I'm going to hang on to this. I don't know where I will use it yet, but I will hang on to that. It will come in handy in one of my projects for sure. And then I picked this up. This is the hanging sign. This one says, beware black cat crossing. And trick or treat. I love these. Really cute. And then here's this. This one says happy Halloween. Look at that. Love it. And then look, the witch is in. So the set on this one has swirls going through. Nice. Like them. I picked up 1 each. I picked up some Halloween books also. This is the Halloween Haunts. Look at that, how cute. I picked up a full set and I picked up 2 extra small ones. You see? Extra large, large, medium, and small. And that's what it looks like. I wanted 1 full set for decorating my home. And then I picked up the 2 extra ones to use them in craft projects. And then I also picked up the Book of Spells and the full set. And then 2 extra ones. So I was fortunate to stop by when they were unboxing all this. So I was, you know, quite happy. I picked up all the sizes that I needed. And then there's this one. This one is Dr. Hollow's Poison. Cute. I love these. They're really cute. See, 2 extra ones. And then the spells. Curses and Hexes. And the 2 extra small ones. So that's just for me. Thank you, Dollar Tree. I picked up some yarn. I picked up 1 more of these. It's the color Creme Brulee. And this is in the plush yarn. I love the way it feels. It's like a towel. You know, like a terry towel. Cute. And then I picked up 2 of these. And this is the sunflower color. Great autumn colors, right? Cute. And then I picked up some tulle mesh. This is brown with the white flocking. Nice. I love the brown color. I also picked up some decorative picks, and you get 10 picks in this. And I wanted the small pumpkins for craft projects, so what I'll do is just pull the picks off and use the pumpkins. This is a great size pumpkins for like small projects, right? Very cute. And I also found this one. This is the Rub-On Transfer by Crafter Square. And it's the little birds on bikes. It says, I'm so in love with you. I love you. Just the 2 of us. This love is ours. What else? Let's see. That's about all. But it is really cute. I love it. I only found the 1, so I will be on the watch out for a couple more. it'll make a great background image. See there? Like they lined the tray with it right there. Very cute. And let's see, I also picked up 2 of these eyeglass cords. I picked it up in the blue and in the pink. Now for this, I plan to use this in a Halloween project. I will not be using it as a eyeglass cord. But look at that, how cute, right? A chain. Let me see if I have a skeleton around. Oh, here we go. Isn't it just the right size? Look at that. Let's bind him up. How cute. I mean, it's long enough that where you can separate it if you have to, and you know, make shorter chain lengths. You know, plenty of chain. So really cute. I love it so much. I picked it up in the blue and this like say a peachy pink tone. Very cute. And let me move that aside. And I also picked up one of these, what do you call it, bottle caps. Oh, it didn't have a sign, so, but I still got charged $1.25. Picked up one. And I found this as a permanent writable white sticker, and it was on sale for 75 cents, so I went ahead and picked it up. And even though the picture's on the box, I'm going to open this and take a look. Oh, it's just one solid piece. Look, I was thinking, because I don't know why I was thinking they were already cut the shape, but yeah, all it is one blank solid piece. It is quite wrinkly, so I'll just work around the wrinkles. That's probably why it's only 75 cents. And look at these. I picked up 5 of these. Now, when they rung this up, it showed up as a poison bottle. Oh, they had a whole bunch on the shelf, so I picked up 5. Look at that. How cute. Great, great, great idea. I love that somebody decided to make us a piece of wood or MDF that looks like a bottle. I picked up 5 of these. And speaking of bottles, I picked up 2 of these. Well, they were the last 2 on the shelf. Look at that. It's orange and it says Happy Halloween. And this is why nobody bought it. The cap fell off. And this is plastic, in case you were wondering. Because see how it looks there. So if I want to, or if you want it to, you can just pry it off just like that, and it's just glued on. So I had planned to pull my cap off anyway, so this worked out just fantastic. I really should have asked for a discount, right? But I didn't. So I paid the full $1.25 for that. I picked up 2. And I also found this. It was in the Halloween section, and this is the only bottle I found. I know you ladies have been hauling these in all different colors and designs, so I haven't been fortunate to find all the designs. So look at that, cute. I picked up the one I could find, and I will add this to my Halloween display. Look at this. I finally found Pick Your Poison sign. I have waited 3 years to find this. Can you believe how long I've waited? Oh, my patience is very, very great. And I only picked up 1. Can you believe it? I waited all these years and I only bought 1. But it is cute. I will disassemble mine and reuse the bottom pieces as a template, and most likely I will use those on projects too. But a very cute find. And then I also picked up this other one. This one says welcome, and it's of the potion bottles also. I love it. I even love that they glittered the black letters on here, and they added a skull. Yeah, adorableness. I love it. I only picked up one too. And then I also brought this one home. This is a felt craft kit, and it's of a black cat. And they help all the pieces to put your cat together. Adorableness. I want to work on this project, and I will share it with you guys. Let's see, and the last item I picked up for this haul is this. This was on sale for 75 cents. It's just, what do you call these things? Composition book. And it's starting to, the cover is starting to bubble. So it's white. But there's nothing wrong with on the inside. Look at that. Adorable, right? So all we need is a new cover on here, and it'll be fantastic. So that was a very good buy for me. I'm quite happy with it. I hope you guys like this haul. I want to do another haul, so make sure you check back tomorrow, and I will have that haul available for you. So yeah, I have been having lots of fun at Dollar Tree, so I kind of like have a lot to share, and I hope you don't mind. I hope I was able to show you a few items that you may want to pick up on your trip to the Dollar Tree. You know, while you're running from Dollar Tree to Dollar Tree. Adorableness, look at that. I love my new signs, just cute. I love this. I love it. So yes, hopefully that you are quite interested in my haul today, and that you will visit me tomorrow, and that you will visit me often while I do my crafting projects. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.